Our tale commences in the early 20th century at the bustling Harland and Wolff shipyard in Belfast, Ireland. In the year 1909, the keel of the Titanic was laid, marking the genesis of what was to be the largest moving object built by humankind at the time. Fast forward to May 31st, 1911. The Titanic, this masterpiece of maritime engineering, was launched. It was a sight to behold, a marvel of technology and luxury, designed to ferry passengers across the Atlantic in unparalleled comfort and style. The Titanic embarked on its maiden voyage on April 10, 1912, setting sail from Southampton, England, en route to New York City, USA. On board were over 2,200 passengers and crew, each brimming with anticipation for the journey ahead. 4 days into the voyage, on the night of April 14th, disaster struck. The Titanic, sailing at high speed through a moonless, bitterly cold night, collided with an iceberg. The iceberg, lurking deceptively beneath the surface of the North Atlantic, inflicted a fatal blow. The ship's hull was breached, causing water to flood the compartments. Despite the gravity of the situation, many passengers remained blissfully unaware of the looming catastrophe. The ship's insufficient lifeboats became a stark reality only when the order to abandon ship was given. In the early hours of April 15th, the unsinkable Titanic sank, plunging into the icy depths of the North Atlantic Ocean, about 370 miles south-southeast off the coast of Newfoundland, Canada. To summarize, the Titanic, a paragon of luxury and technological prowess, set sail on its maiden voyage filled with promise. However, a combination of high speed, a treacherous iceberg, and inadequate safety measures led to its tragic end. More than 1,500 lives were lost in this disaster, marking it as one of the deadliest peacetime maritime disasters in history. This tale serves as a poignant reminder of man's fallibility, even in the face of tremendous technological advancement. The Titanic was not defeated by the limitations of human engineering, but rather by the hubris and complacency of its time. A story of ambition and tragedy, the sinking of the Titanic remains etched in our collective memory, a haunting echo from the depths of the past.